of them, even some of their ulama, are speaking today in terms which belie their allegiance to the ideals and to the spirit of Islam. We are told that a man is alive only when he is here in this world. We are told that death is a cessation of actual life, and then we are told we do not know what happens after death. On the face of it, it appears to be a very simple and a very innocent statement. But it is a cruel statement. It is a statement which means an insult directly to the comprehensive guidance that is contained in the Holy Quran and in the Hadith of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. It is a denial of the theory of life and death, of the nature of life and of the nature of death, which Islam gave us, and the matter becomes very serious. The matter becomes unpardonable from the intellectual point of view when we find that the latest advances in knowledge prove what our forefathers used to believe and which we wish to challenge today. What is this matter in terms of which you consider life? What does modern science say about this matter? What is matter? If you ask Islam as to what is matter and what is spirit, what is the nature of this physical, tangible, solid universe and all these physical things here, including the human body, Islam teaches you that it is the process of quality transforming itself into quantity. Try to remember these words from me. You see, there is one thing which is called quality. There is another thing which is called quantity. You can describe a thing from both of the aspects, that these are the qualities of this thing and this is the quantitative analysis of this thing. For instance, in connection with quantity, those who are students of science among you, you will say that a particular thing has a certain mass and a certain density and a certain area and a certain volume and a certain specific gravity and a certain color and a certain direction. These are all quantitative measurements. Then there are the qualitative measurements which are inherent in the function of that thing, the end to which it is directed. I don't think that any one of you does not know the word quality, but I am speaking in terms of philosophy, of course speaking in a very simple sense, especially for those among you who are educated in the Western lore and modern subjects. You can understand it very well that according to Islam, the entire universe is the process of the transformation of quality into quantity. And if from the scientific and philosophical point of view, you are asked to reduce the concept of God, a God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is not material, nor is he spiritual, nor is he psychical, nor is he anything. You cannot explain him in any terms that you know, because the Holy Quran says about him, لَيْسَ كَمِثْلِهِ شَيْءٍ. There is nothing even like the likeness of him. He is other than what you know He is not matter and he is not mind and he is not soul. What is he then? My reply to it would be, he is absolute quality in terms of philosophy. He is absolute quality plus zero quantity equal to God. He is quality and not quantity. This world is quantitative plus quality. He is absolute quality. And when I say this, probably I am using terms which might be a bit tough. But when I explain it to you, I take you to Einstein, to his theory of relativity. To the other theory, the theory of quantum mechanics, the quantum theory. You know, those of you who are students of science, you know about the theory of the fundamental particles and the theory of waves in connection with what is the nature of this world. I won't lead you there, but I would like to emphasize here one equation which was given by Einstein and which has been accepted by all the scientists of the world. It is the scientists of the world about whom we are told that they are skeptical about religion, because they want everything on the basis of verifiable knowledge. They want everything to be understood and derived on the basis of the scientific method, which is the inductive method of inquiry. You see, you know what is the scientific method. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is the scientific method of verification. And I must say, on a very simple level, I am not talking here of physics or chemistry or astronomy or anything. I would like to invite your attention, especially the attention of those who have started new theories about the personality of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and who wish to deny him that greatness which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has conferred on him. I would like to invite their attention, the attention of these materialistically oriented Muslims, to this equation. The equation is E is equal to mc square, which means in simple language that energy is convertible into mass. I should make it simpler. Energy is something non-material. Energy is not something physical. Energy is not something which you can say is like this microphone or like this table or even like my body. Energy is something non-physical. Mass means a physical characteristic. Energy is convertible into mass, and here I would like to repeat what I said, that according to Islam, the entire universe and every human being is a process of the transformation of quality into quantity. It is originally what Einstein calls energy, and beyond that something which Einstein was not able to find out, finer than energy, pure quality, or pure thought as Berkeley called it, or as the great Islamic Sufis, who were the only truly comprehensively enlightened people in the history of Islam, as they said, that the entire universe is only a manifestation of the attributes of God. It does not exist by itself.